Hi guys, hope you are doing okay. This is Ashka from MM Marketing. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to review about another product that is actually a combination bundle of products from another top marketer. Now this is a Christmas season. The year 2021 will be gone within few days. So all these top marketers are combining or bundling up their previously launched products and giving for one-time price. Okay, with this, okay, this product name is called Bundle Up for Christmas, which is coming to you all from Dawood Islam. The product launch is on 21st December 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then launch is there, will be there for 5 days. During this period you can grab his 50 products, 50 products guys, for one time lower price. With this I am not giving any guarantee that you're going to earn any money, but here you can learn so many things because it is coming everything in bundle up, and you're going to get 50 products. So you can, this is a very good opportunity to learn so many things. Okay, to get this product, what you have to do is in this YouTube description, the first link, if you click the first link, you will come to my sales page directly like this, which looks something like this. With this bundle up, I'm going to give some freebies or free gifts, or you can call it as a bonuses. That will be even if you buy or not, it is a gift for you. Everyone who is watching this review video, I will show that at the end of this review. With that freebie, you can become a very good bonus producers bear, because there are tons and tons of freebie stuff inside that. Okay, good. Now we'll see further about this bundle up Christmas, what Dawood is saying. Dawood Islam is saying he's a top marketer. Okay guys, good. Now, oh yes, it's the ultimate Christmas and New Year bundle. 55 front end plus 11 upsell for the price of one, worth $1,700 if purchased individually. That's correct guys. Okay, good. To get this product, again, if you click here after coming to my sales page, if you click here, it will go to the Warrior Plus, and you can grab this for this product for one time price. I will let you know the price. Okay, so spending a one time price, a small price, and you're going to learn so many things. With this, I am not going to give any guarantee that you're going to earn money tomorrow. No, this is not a good platform, because top marketers ideas are there, their experience are there, the blueprints are there for how they are success in online market to earn millions of dollars, because they are earning. Okay, so you are going to get all their experience put into these products. So okay, now we'll see one by one. Now here first one is Xmas traffic. I recently did a review about this, and launcher, I think I did Islam Neela Fernandez. Yes, I did a review on this as well. Now triple traffic, this is coming to you all. This is also Dawood Islam's product. Okay, and again here Tagsmania. Okay, and traffic time, this is traffic time, another product. Here this is profit your offer. This is another product of Dawood Islam. Membership Madness, mail our lists. Okay, and here the gold standard, and here back to basics. I did a review on this funny time months back. I think you can find the review in my channel. Now this one, place your link. Okay, again, this is another product of Dawood Islam. Crazy coupon cash, I couldn't do this review. And high ticket, hot shot, media madness, fast list now. I think I did a review for this. You can find the review inside my channel. Monthly income system and external emails, camping converter, and Mayday Payday, affiliate marketing magic, total traffic, fast income fixes, the Destiny 2021. All these get all these upsell pro version worth, okay, each $37. Now here there are some more products. Rhino Research Pro, Halloween Method Pro, Ducky Dollar Pro, and Pro Dolphin, and 365 Eagle Mails, Pro. What is it? This is the Jaguar Jackpot Pro, and this is not loading. I think Lion Listing Pro and Money Mailer Pro, Panda Payments Pro, and Webmart Wealth Pro. 11 full Pro upgrades included. Second Wave System Pro, and all these 10 products are top marketers products. Okay, and here if you go further down, Kevin Fahey's 6 time IEM checklist, and this is Eric Hammer's durable. This is Johnny Lingardon's Johnny Rose's Bladdermouth Bucks, and here this is Akhtar Alam's Insta Quick Income, Jason Akil's EZJ Vizu's Secret PLR, and here Ronnie Rocksmith's Automation Secret. All you're going to get under this bundle up for Christmas, guys. Okay, now here Will Widley's Profit Zenith, John Atlas CB Bank CB Data Fox, and John Newman's The Collector. And if you go here, 22 times 2020 titles from Dawood Islam. Okay, and Marketer Money, Rhino Results, and Halloween Method. All these products are included inside this, guys. Again, if you go further down, you can see everything, every of the nearly 55 products. I said yes. Okay, good. Now I will take you to the members area. Here, if you come to the members area, here you have the welcome speech by Dawood Islam, and here you have the overview, and here these are the products, all these Dawood products. Okay, and here again some more products. Okay, and here again some more products. Okay, now if I go one by one, let me show you. Okay, Affiliate Marketer Magic, Back to Basics, Campaign Converter, Crazy Coupon Cash, Destiny 2021, Essential Emails, Fast Income Fixes, Fast List Now, High Ticket, Hotshot Launcher, Mail Our List, Mayday Payday, Membership Madness, Mid-Year Madness, Monthly Income System, Place Your Link, Promote Your Offer, Taxmania, The Gold Standard, Total Traffic, Traffic Time, Triple Traffic, Xmas Traffic. There, and again if you go further down, Animal Kingdom, Anarchy, Cash Lighter Create, Clash List Creator, Koga Commissions, Dolphin Dividends, Ducky Dollars, Eagle Emails, Internet Market Alphabet, Jaguar Jackpot, Leopard List, Lions Listing, Monkey Mailers, Market Money, Mukau Mula, and Panda Payments, Panther Profits, Puma Products, Rhino Results, Second Wave System, The Halloween Method, The Lockdown Formula, the Training Hub, Tiger Traffic, Wombat Wealth. All are included. All these products are included in this bundle up for Christmas, guys. And here if you go further down, he says my products upsells, access all the 2020 upsell products. Okay, that is 2020 products. And here these are top marketers products. That is Kevin Fahey's IEM checklist, Gina Babak's free traffic mastery, Eric Hammer's durable, John Newman's The Collector, John Rose Blabbermouth Bucks, John Alert CB Data Fox, and Ronnie Rocksmith's Automation Secrets, Jason Oikerly, I think is JV's Secret PLR, Akhtar Alam's Insta Quick Income, Will Widley's Profit Zenith. Okay, now if you go to the resources, here you have free squeeze pages, recommended resources, my top recommended resources, and conclusion, bonuses, upgrades, and bonuses. You have commission blueprint, the secret weapon effort, FB profit, JV super tutorial, warrior plus super hack strategy. You are getting apart from these 55 products, you are getting these bonuses as well for one-time price. And here unadvertised bonuses also. They are Mike from Mania bonus, James Kennedy's bonus, or this is an unadvertised product bonuses coming along with the bundle up Christmas, bundle up product, bundle up for Christmas products, guys. All these are coming for just one time price. Now we'll go and see the prices of this. Okay, this is price, the front end is priced. Okay, before that he's saying further about that, get 45 of my previous front end products plus 11 upsell plus get the great products from Kevin Fahey, Eric Hammer, Jason Okele, John Atlas, Johnny Roth, Will Widderly, Gina Babak, Akhtar Alam, and John Newman and Ronnie Rocksmith. Okay, the front is just $19, guys. You are going to get around how many products? 45 products. Why don't you give a try? With this there are upsells. Those upsells, if you wish, you can, but the front end you're going to get access the powerful bundle up Christmas software and training model. That is more than enough. You can learn tons and tons during these holidays or after the holidays. Then you can implement and you can generate good income using this, or you can apply these methods into other systems and gain. Okay guys, you will never ever get these things in outside of this platform, because I'm saying you're not going to make any money, but you're going to learn tons and tons of values, because these people are top marketers and they keep on producing though, so they are putting all their experience, expertise and everything into these products. So this is a very good opportunity to learn, guys. Okay, good. Again, I'm coming back to the sales page. Okay, here this is the demo video. I will leave a demo link. Now these are, you can see, these are the result sheet of these are the Warrior Plus account of Dawood Islam. These figures are typical. Okay guys, this is typical because this is the results of hard work. This is not a overnight push button money making system. Okay guys, you have to work hard, you have to study, you have to learn a lot, you have to implement, you have to put that into action, then you have to work consistently, then you will get results or more than these results. Okay, but anyway, if you buy this product from my link, you're not going to make this figure tomorrow. Okay guys, remember that. So again, here I'm coming back to the, so what is bundle up for Christmas? Get all these, okay, over 50 products, learn from top 10 marketers, the $17,000 value purchased individually, of course, yes. So not $17,000, $1,700. Okay guys, everything newbie could possibly need. Learn and then start a new business today. That's what I'm telling. Never need to buy another course again, because all these 50 great products, okay, from top marketers, they are individual experience, tons and tons and value you're going to learn, you're going to gain. Okay, then learn and then start a new business. That is what I'm promoting, this product. Okay guys, now if you go further down, here you have some bonuses. Okay, that is bonus one is commission blueprint, that is the super affiliate blueprint to generate over $500 in 12 months, $5,000. Okay, anyway, bonus 2 is the secret weapon, discover the secret method to transform your earnings. And bonus 3 is effortless Facebook profit, super simple effortless money making machine. And bonus 4, you're going to get JVZoo super tutorial. Watch this bonus video tutorial to unlock the exact secret of the top using super affiliates on JVZoo use. And the 5th is Warrior Plus super hack strategy, that is learn what top 1% do definitely to enjoy monthly 6-figure results on Warrior Plus, guys. So these are the values of the valuable products coming along with this bundle up for Christmas. Okay guys, you're going to get around how many products? Again, I'm reminding 50 products. With this, you're not going to make any money. I'm not getting a guarantee. But what you have, why I'm promoting this is learn and then start a new business. Okay, everything a newbie could possibly need. And if you buy this, you need $1,700 if you buy individually, but you're going to get this for $13, and you have over 50 products and from 10 top marketers. That's what I'm promoting this for you all to learn. Okay guys, with this I'm coming to the end of my review of this bundle up for Christmas. What is that? Bundle up for Christmas review. And I told you at the beginning I'm going to give some freebie to my who are watching this, or the people who, if you buy this product from me, or who are watching up to this, that is, you have to come to the website called idplr.com. Here you have 12,590 plus PLR products, that means private label right products. Now if you come here, you can see here you have free ebooks, softwares, video, audio, graphics and templates. You can download this, you can reproduce, you can do anything, because this PLR product. Here the best part is you can create your account for free, no need a credit card or anything. And if you come to the product section, you have more products. You can see ebooks, softwares, videos, templates, graphics and music. Again, these are some little bit, you have to pay a subscription products. You can buy, if you are interested, you can get this by paying a subscription, or this free section is more than enough. You have tons and tons of products to download and use it, reuse it, or whatever. And you can see here the resources. If you come to the resources section, you have latest 100 products, affiliate, okay, all these things you can read. The best part is they keep on add every day. That's what here there's a plus mark. They keep on adding products to this idplr.com every day, guys. So that this is my gift for whoever watching this product up to now, or whoever going to buy this Christmas bundle up for Christmas with my link, guys. So to get that, you have to click the first link in the YouTube description, then you will come to the sales page, and if you click here, where is that? Boom. Wait a minute, I'll show you, because this is launched through Warrior Plus. Okay, if you click here, you can get this product for the price which I told you before. Okay, guys, this is launched through the Warrior Plus. So if you click here, you will go to the Warrior Plus, then you can pay then with your credit card you can pay and get this product, guys. Okay, with this I'm come to the end of my review. Okay, this is the one of the another best products to learn so many information, tons and tons of information. There are tons of values there to learn and implement in your businesses. You can see, you can start a complete good business from scratch, because you have tons and tons of values inside this bundle up for Christmas, guys. Okay, and those are not just product may be crappy, but the experience, the people, the 10 top marketers experience, you will not get anywhere from that. Okay, guys. Okay, that's all I have to talk about, and I told about the freebie as well. And there's another way that you can earn money. Okay, that is YouTube. If you definitely a YouTuber, that's what you're watching this. And if you have a YouTube channel, and if you are consistently uploading good content, you can earn YouTube revenue. That means for that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you can gain that, you can earn YouTube revenue. For that you have to work nearly 8 months to 1 year. But there's another product which I bought and implementing that, and now I'm starting to earn YouTube revenue slowly. And for that product I will leave the link in this as a second or third link in the same description. You can watch that video. It is a high ticket course, and you can buy that course and you can implement to get YouTube revenue as quickly as possible, because within 1 month you will be done. Everything will be done to monetize your YouTube channel, guys. If you buy that course, that's a high ticket course, and again you have to do a small investment inside that. Okay, then after that you can implement. Then once you implement, guys, there's a fly disturbing me, I'm sorry. That's what I'm always waving my hand. I can't do anything, I can't get rid of that fellow. Okay, good. So with that, I'm coming to the end of this review. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel and click the bell icon, because I used to review IT products, cloud-based softwares, how to generate money online, and I used to do tutorial as well. So all those will be notified once you subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. And also, before leaving, leave a thumbs up to this video, guys, because that will make a very good impact in this YouTube algorithm, and YouTube will push my videos for others to watch. So that is depending on your thumbs up. So leave a thumbs up and go, and also give a comment if you like this video also. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Let me see you in my next review as soon as possible. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.